Roll on highway, roll on along. Roll on daddy till you get back home. Roll on family, roll on crew. Roll on mama like I asked you to do. Roll on 18-wheeler, roll on. Well, it's Monday morning, he's kissing mama goodbye. He's up and gone with the sun. Daddy drives an 18-wheeler, he's off on a Midwest run. Three sad faces gather around mama. They ask her when daddy's coming home. Daddy drives an 18-wheeler, oh man, so when he's gone. Oh, but he calls them every night to tell that he loves them. Part of the song singing, roll on highway, roll on along. Roll on daddy till you get back home. Roll on family, roll on crew. Roll on mama like I asked you to do. Roll on 18-wheeler, roll on. Well, it's Wednesday evening, mama's waiting by the phone. It rings, but it's not his voice. Seems a highway patrol has found the jackknife rig, Snowbank in Illinois. The driver was missing, and a search had been abandoned. The weather had everything solved, and they had checked all the houses and the local motels, and they had some old news they home. And she told him when I found him to tell him that she loved him. And she hung up the phone singing, roll on highway, roll on along. Roll on daddy till you get back home. Roll on family, roll on crew. Roll on mama like I asked you to do. Roll on 18-wheeler, roll on. Mama and the children will be waiting up all night long, thinking nothing but the worst that's coming with the ringing of the telephone. Oh, but the man upstairs was listening when mama asked him to bring daddy home. And when the call came in, it was daddy on the other end, asking her if she had been singing the song, singing roll on highway, roll on along. Roll on daddy till you get back home. Roll on family, roll on crew. Roll on mama like I asked you to do. Roll on 18-wheeler, roll on 18-wheeler.